Good morning.
Hello, welcome to New Code Cooking with
Hydra? Hydra?
Hydra in Crash
Hydra?
Server.
How do you say
yeah.
Hydra? Hydra.
Hydra, I don't know.
That was a weird introduction. Is it a good one? Okay, let's go. So this is my interviewing stick.
Okay.
So it's essentially your project, so you are going to talk a lot about it. I don't have a clue what it is. I don't know anything about whatever. So so what is it, basically?
The project is called Super Hydra Turbo Edition.
Right.
Okay.
Because it has cars and stuff like that?
No, because it's a Super Hydra Turbo Edition.
Right.
Right.
So maybe what is Hydra first?
Hydra is a live coding language where you can make visuals based mostly on feedback and some
FX.
and
So where does it come from?
Olivia Jack
Right.
write it. So thanks to her.
Okay. So you want to contribute to the evolution of Hydra?
Yeah, it's mostly from Okay, sorry. you know it's not wire.
Okay, sorry. Okay.
It's mostly an interface for Hydra, so it's still Hydra.
The core is
the core is Hydra, and I think the editor, the vanilla editor for Hydra is lacks some functionality, so I write them.
So you made some new functionality. So also maybe the context is we do some workshops also in Strasbourg, and sometimes some features are really important for workshops. That's I'd say documentation,
autocomplete. Yeah, I think that's the main feature.
Yeah, and easy of access.
Yeah.
So I think we can go directly to the subject, and you can maybe show us.
Okay.
Show us Hydra.
Et voilà.
So
that's Super Hydra, not so fancy.
No. But I can see something in the right.
Yeah.
Down in the right.
Down in the right, yeah. And if you click on it, you open the Super Hydra Turbo Edition panel.
So your UI is really special?
Yeah, it's based on Super Street Fighter.
Okay.
Stuff like this.
That seems like the really obvious good choice. That's already something
some basic function like change the font of the code, the size. Or maybe I can write something so you can change the font style. Not so different, but but that's fun from special from coding. The font size. You can change
the theme.
the theme,
which changes a lot.
Yeah, you don't see it here, but
we'll see it.
We see it later.
And then you've got some shortcuts.
You get some shortcuts.
So are there new shortcuts, and what's shortcuts are there?
Okay. So the most feature I think it's autocomplete. So with Ctrl space, you've got a list of all the source, another source, other source. Basically that's why, because it's contextual autocomplete. So for a blank line, you start always with a source.
So maybe it's a little bit like what we do in our web Fox dots.
Yeah.
So fast coding a bit and more efficient.
Fast coding. Yeah, let's say okay. And
default values.
Default value, like our web Fox dot, and
which is really important. Like you want to start, you don't want to write always the same things. Just there it is.
And the new feature I just added a few hours. When you evaluate the code, it adds automatically the output font.
That's nice.
That's nice.
Cool.
Okay. Like our other editor, you can alt down, alt up
to change values.
To change the value, so
you can do real-time VJing style. Okay.
And you have tooltips. If if you go to a function, you say, okay, OSC, what is OSC? Okay,
yeah, what is OSC?
Alt E. And
Alt I.
Yeah. Okay. Alt I.
Yeah.
Sorry. You got some tooltips with default value. What the source do?
Okay.
Okay. You can write it. You can have it here. Always. Okay. What is out? Okay. Send the buffer to out.
Nice.
Nice. You have a contextual fx also.
Right.
If you
write
put a dot, control space, and you have another list, for transformation, like modulate. Oh, what is modulate? I don't know. Modulate UV coordinates with the texture. Okay, cool. What else? I add a lot of sources like oscillator and some other effects. I touch on the web, like...
so it's a bit of everything.
Yeah, a bit of everything, thanks to all the people who contribute to the Hydra community. So I try to put everything here.
Okay.
Not everything, but some cool stuff.
Nice.
You've got some shortcut also, like scene range.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay. So automatic animation from shortcut.
Yeah. Okay. You got the error also.
Error management. Okay.
Error management. Yeah. If you put a mistake here,
it says there is a mistake.
Yeah.
Cool. Are you on the screen right now?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay. I saw some other really interesting feature, but maybe you want to keep it for later.
Maybe not. Yeah.
It's about the output screens and
yes,
which is really nice.
Yeah.
For me, that's like really important. Separate visuals from
Separate
code.
Visual,
and,
yeah. Because I don't know. You can open a second window. I don't know
if you see it.
No, you don't see it because I only record the other screen, but it works.
It works. More or less.
Believe me, it's not a fake button.
It does something.
It does something. Yeah, you open another window.
So you can see the result of your coding without the interface. So you can do multi-screen.
No, just one.
Just one screen.
Just one.
It's enough.
It's enough, yeah. Because I don't know if it's really optimized. So
just use an HDMI doubler or something. That works too. Okay.
You can comment like with Alt X. You can comment some stuff like what else? You can hush up.
Okay, cool.
Stop.
And
stop everything.
Yeah. Okay.
You can hide the code, of course.
Yeah, nice.
The
color picker.
The color picker, yeah, because
you don't know the RGB table by heart.
It's not the RGB table.
No, because it's a high.
Because as you know, in Hydra you have to type like this.
Yeah.
So it's really complicated to know which color it is. So I put a color picker, so you can. I don't know if you see it because it's another window. Yeah, you open another window. So okay.
So maybe you will see it. Maybe
you will
not.
see it, maybe not. But believe me,
there is a color picker.
There's a color picker, like the one from your browser. So
okay.
That's the default one. So you choose a color. You can also choose I don't know if you see it, but I select the color. Okay.
He did do it. I saw it. He didn't. Maybe I don't know.
Another cool feature.
I thought there was something about the outputs.
Yeah. Let's say we want something else, like warp. I don't know what it is. Okay.
Cool, warp. He puts an output.
Output. And I put it on another screen. Okay.
A virtual screen.
So this one is my green screen.
Mm-hmm.
This is a green screen, and I can switch with Alt 1, 2, 1.
You can switch the buffers of the video buffers, and that's really nice. Like full screen buffers
maybe you don't know, but
it's render, but it's full screen with Alt switching.
Yeah, in Hydra you have 4 buffer. Some people don't know that.
Yeah, some people do, but yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah.
And this one.
That's a Lisa Lucius function.
Yeah. No. Okay.
Nice.
And you can switch up
1, 2,
3, 4, 1, 2. Can do
it works. You're surprised.
Pretty fast.
Yeah, it's nice.
You also have, of course, audio.
Audio reactivity.
Audio reactivity, yeah. Like I think. I think it's audio. It was a shortcut for that.
Yeah. So he's working on the project, and there will be some more changes, maybe.
Yeah. Something. Maybe A0. A0. Yes.
A0. And so now you use the audio
But you don't
inputs.
see it. Oh.
Yeah, you see it.
Hey.
Now it's here.
You ba bi ba boo ba bi ba ba. Okay, I do live coding with my mouse.
Yeah, yeah.
Bi ba 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 boo. Okay.
A really good demonstration. Cool.
Cool.
Other features?
Yeah, maybe in the future. Yeah.
You probably did forget some, I'm sure, because it's not scripted. You know, we don't know where we go. So
You can, of course, you can test it on our website. I think
Yes.
we put the link.
we have a live version on the website,
Live version,
and we
and,
will put it on GitHub.
GitHub, yeah.
Yeah.
So you can take the code,
Test, improve,
test it, improve, yeah.
send feedback.
Yeah, it's mostly nothing magical, nothing new. Just it's
Just UI,
It's just a new
useful
UI
stuff.
and
Yeah.
useful stuff. Yeah.
Cool. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for the interview.
No problem. See you next time.
See you next time. Yeah. Stop.